Do you ever feel like money slips through your fingers? Do you wonder where it all goes at the end of the month? You're not alone. Many people struggle to manage their finances. But there's a solution: budgeting. Budgeting is simply the act of planning how you will spend your money. It's about making conscious choices and taking control of your financial future. With a budget, you can stop worrying about money and start achieving your goals. Imagine being debt-free. Imagine taking that dream vacation or buying your dream home. Budgeting is the key to making those dreams a reality. It's time to stop feeling powerless over your finances. It's time to take charge and build the life you deserve. Let's get started. Before you can create a budget, you need to understand your current spending habits. This means tracking your income and expenses. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Start by listing all your sources of income: your salary, wages, side hustles, etc. Next, track your expenses for a month. Write down every dollar you spend, from your rent or mortgage to your daily coffee. Once you have a month's worth of data, categorize your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going. Common categories include housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and debt payments. By analyzing your spending habits, you'll identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This is a crucial step towards financial freedom. There are various budgeting methods, each with pros and cons. Some methods are simple and straightforward, while others require more detailed tracking and discipline. Finding the one that suits your lifestyle and personality is important. It's not just about numbers, it's about creating a system that you can stick to and that helps you achieve your financial goals. One popular method is the 50/30/20 budget. This method is favored for its simplicity and ease of use. This approach allocates 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a balanced way to manage your finances without feeling too restricted. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. These are the non-negotiable expenses that you must cover to live comfortably. Wants are things that improve your quality of life, like entertainment and dining out. These are the expenses that make life enjoyable and fulfilling. Another method is zero-based budgeting, where you assign every dollar a job. This method requires more detailed tracking but can be very effective in managing your money. You start with your income and allocate funds to expenses until you reach zero. This ensures that every dollar is accounted for and has a specific purpose. This approach ensures that every dollar is accounted for and works towards your financial goals. It can help you avoid overspending and ensure that you are saving and investing appropriately. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to find a method that fits your unique needs and goals. Don't be afraid to try different methods until you find the one that helps you manage your money effectively. The right budgeting method can make a significant difference in achieving financial stability and peace of mind. Section 4. Creating your budget, a step-by-step guide. Now that you understand your spending habits and have chosen a budgeting method, it's time to create your budget. First, list your income sources and calculate your total monthly income. Next, list your expenses, categorized by needs, wants, and savings or debt repayment. Use your spending tracker from the previous step to guide you. Assign a dollar amount to each expense category based on your chosen budgeting method. For example, if you're using the 50/30/20 method and your after-tax income is $4,000, you'll allocate $2,000 to needs, $1,200 to wants, and $800 to savings and debt repayment. Ensure your total expenses don't exceed your income. If they do, adjust your spending in certain categories until you achieve a balanced budget. Remember, it's okay to make adjustments as you go. Section 5. Sticking to your budget. Tips and tricks. Creating a budget is only half the battle. Sticking to it is the real challenge. But don't worry, there are ways to make it easier. One effective method is to use cash envelopes for certain spending categories like groceries or entertainment. Once the cash is gone, you're done spending in that category for the month. Another helpful tip is to track your spending regularly, ideally daily or weekly. This helps you stay on top of your finances and identify potential overspending before it becomes a problem. Remember, budgeting is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you overspend or face unexpected expenses. The key is to adjust your budget as needed and stay committed to your financial goals in the long run. Section 6. Budgeting tools and apps. Your digital helpers. In today's digital age, numerous budgeting tools and apps can simplify managing your finances. These digital helpers are designed to make the complex task of budgeting more accessible and less time-consuming. These tools can automate tracking expenses, creating budgets, and monitoring your progress. By using these apps, you can gain a clearer understanding of where your money is going and how you can save more effectively. Popular budgeting apps include Mint, which offers a comprehensive overview of your financial health by linking all your accounts in one place. YNAB, You Need a Budget, which focuses on proactive budgeting and helps you allocate every dollar to a specific purpose, and Personal Capital, which not only tracks your spending but also helps with investment management. These apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions and providing a real-time overview of your financial situation. This automation saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. Many banks and credit card companies also offer free budgeting tools through their online banking platforms. These integrated tools can be very convenient, especially if you prefer to manage all your financial activities in one place. These tools can be just as effective as standalone apps and are a great option if you prefer to keep all your financial information in one place. They often come with additional features like bill reminders and spending alerts. The key is to find a tool or app that suits your needs and preferences. With so many options available, it's important to choose one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Experiment with a few different options before settling on the one that helps you manage your budget most effectively. Take your time to explore the features and benefits of each app to ensure it meets your specific requirements. Section 7. Review and adjust. Keeping your budget on track. Your financial situation is not static, it constantly changes. Life is full of unexpected events and opportunities that can impact your finances, such as a new job, a raise, a medical emergency, or even a change in your living situation. Therefore, reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly is crucial to ensure it aligns with your current needs and goals. This practice helps you stay on top of your financial health and avoid potential pitfalls. Aim to review your budget at least monthly or more frequently if you experience significant changes in your income or expenses. Setting regular reminders can help you stay disciplined and make this a consistent habit. During your review, analyze your spending patterns, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments to your budget allocations. Look for trends in your spending that could indicate where you might be able to save more or where you might need to allocate more funds. For example, if you receive a raise or bonus, you can allocate those funds towards savings, debt repayment, or other financial goals. This proactive approach ensures that extra income is used wisely and contributes to your long-term financial stability. Conversely, if you experience a job loss or unexpected expense, you may need to adjust your spending in certain categories to accommodate the change in your financial situation. This might involve cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding ways to increase your income. Remember, your budget is a living document that should evolve. It's not set in stone and should be flexible enough to adapt to your changing circumstances. By regularly reviewing and adjusting it, you can ensure it remains a valuable tool for achieving your financial goals. This ongoing process will help you stay focused, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve financial success.